Good morning, guys. Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking. It's another beautiful day, guys. The sun is loving me. It's too hot, guys. It's 11 in the morning, but it's 88 degrees. Can you imagine? It's hot here in Texas. Oh my goodness, USA, it's hot. Umoto Lifestyle. The reason why I'm here yesterday, I was testing these pears. Guys, my pears are ready to start eating. So yesterday I was testing these pears and I was like, let me just test one and see how, if it's sweet, what's going on. Guys, these pears right here, they are so sweet. The month is this month of July. That's the month that we start eating these pears. And guys, the pears are ready. So I was excited this morning to come up and show you how the pears are looking. So I'm gonna turn my camera behind here. Yes, so that I can show you actually how the pears have grown so large and they are so sweet. Guys, I am sweating. Guys, before we do this, if you have not subscribed to this channel, if you are not a member of this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Umoto Lifestyle here, showing you the lifestyle in the US in case there's somebody out there who wants to move here or who wants to see how America looks like. This is America, okay? Let me turn so I can show you the pears, guys. Guys, these are the pears. Look how large they are. They are so large. Look at that, guys. Look at these pears. Look how large they are. So we can start eating. Actually, I'm gonna eat one today for y'all, so you guys, you can see how ready they are. I know, look at this. They are so ready. They are so they're still growing, guys. Look at that. They are still growing because this is the month of July. Actually, July, August, and September. We're just eating all these pears now. So anybody who lives near me, guys, you can come over here. We start eating pears. They are so sweet. Of course, they were affected with the fungi, guys. Some of them are kind of beaten up, you can tell, but the majority of the pears, guys, even up here, they are so huge. So I'm gonna get my water, guys, wash one so that we can see. Let me get water. Okay, guys, I turned the water on here on the pipe. Let me go get an apple, a pear. So let's find a pear and harvest. Let me see which one is huge. Which one are we going to test? Guys, it's right here. Let me get this one right here. No. Let me get this one in here. This one here is so huge. This one here. Look at it. It's so huge. Look at it. So huge. Oh my. Oh my. Look at that. Look at this pears. Let's try another one right here. This pear. Oh, the water is splashing on me. Come on, you pear. Oh, I cannot believe, guys, we're eating this pear again. My gosh. Let me turn this thing off. So I'm gonna turn my camera so you can. My gosh, guys, look at this pear. Let's test it. It's so sweet. I eat even all this. Because I need all the ravages, guys. You can do this in America, okay? Yes, you can. They are so sweet. You can literally eat this for lunch, breakfast. Like now, this is my breakfast actually. I'm loving it. I'm so proud of myself. Like, you can grow something in America, in the US, and actually you can eat organic. You know, if you go to the store right now, eating these pears, guys, they are so expensive. From this tree, guys, there's so many. So I'm gonna be sharing with my friends, family members, my co-workers, y'all. So I'm gonna be sharing with everybody, guys. Excuse me, I can't get rid of this. So let me go ahead and show you the other tree, how it's actually looking like. Let's go this way and see the other tree. This is the other tree here. As you can tell, this one, the pears are so large, huge. Look at that. My goodness, the sun, you can tell how it is. What I like about this pears tree, the dream that I had is that I'll be able to sit on my swing set here, and actually I'll be able to grab a pear, a fruit from here, and eat and get my book. I'm reading in my book. You know, I love to read books, guys. That's one hint that you didn't know about Tomoto lifestyle. So I grab my pear and I'm reading my book, or I'm having my breakfast here. That was the dream that I had in mind, and actually it's true. Now I can grab a pear, I can sit here, I can enjoy my breakfast, anything that I can eat. I could eat this pear, I could eat any kind of breakfast that I need. So this was the dream. So that's why I tell you guys, the dream is real. If you dream something, or if you want to do something and you put a little bit extra work on it, you wake up a little bit earlier, you push yourself, actually you can do it. I have so many dreams that I've been dreaming, but they have come true, which I'll be revealing in this channel little by little, so that you will know me more, who Umoto lifestyle is. And guys, I'm sweating so much. Oh my god, this sun, this America, it's so hard. But hey, the good thing is that I put sunscreen, guys. Oh my goodness, if you're out there, put your sunscreen on, because this sun sometimes it can burn your skin, you know. So I cannot go anywhere, guys, without a sunscreen, which I'm gonna be doing what kind of sunscreen I use. So I'm gonna be showing you how I'm taking care of my sunscreen, my face. And at this moment I'm not using any makeup because I'm sweating. There's no way you are going to put a makeup. You know, I'm a makeup girl. But nowadays I don't use makeup because of this heat, especially summer. I don't do that. So guys, the point of this video is just to show you how my pears are doing, how they're grown so much. They're so sweet. It's like so sweet, extra sweet. Like you can literally make juice or smoothie. Guys, I'll be making smoothie, you know, we'll be eating. So guys, if you have not joined this channel, go ahead and join the channel. Like the video, share the video, show the people how America looks like. You know, tell people, if you come to America, you can just plant all this, you know, organic. You can have the garden over there. My okra right now, actually I'm eating my okra, guys. I am eating my okra. I'm using it with my other greens, which I'll be showing you in another video, that how I'm harvesting this okra, how I'm using it, how I'm actually doing everything, right? But for now, I just wanted to show you how I'm eating my pears. You saw me guys making videos how they were so starting to grow, you know, and up to this moment, every year actually we've been eating this, especially except last year. Last year we didn't have much pears because I don't know what happened, because they were infected in a way. But this year it looks like the pears are here. So I'm like, I don't know what happened last year, but all I know that I'm eating pears this year. And guys, you know, tomorrow is July 4th of July. So tune in for videos. I wish to be making videos for July 4th. I need to see, you guys, you need to see what people do here in July 4th, how people celebrate here. I tried to find some occasions here where people, you know, fireworks and everything. Fireworks usually comes at night. I don't know if I can record at night because you can't see clearly, but I may have a glimpse of a video for you guys to kind of see how what July 4th or 4th of July, Independence Day, is like here in the US. And I would like to show you guys, you know, US is growing old. Actually, it's 147 years old, if I'm not wrong. Okay, 1776. So that's when it got independence. So we are celebrating tomorrow, which is July 4th or 4th of July. So I'll be going around to see what people are doing so I can make videos of you guys so you can see actually. But today we're just talking about this pears. So sweet. I cannot believe these pears, guys. They gone through a lot, because when they were starting, you know, there was that heavy rain that came and the wind, and they poured everything down. I thought they were just gone. And then another rain came. We were pounding on it with a heavy snow, kind of snow hailstone, you know. It pounded all these pears, but they survived. They're a little bit bonded, as you can tell. But hey, they are so sweet and they're so plenty, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. This is just I wanted to show you how this pears looks like. Oh well, guys, make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. You want more videos, guys, stay here, stay tuned here, because oh, I didn't show you this area here. Look at them pears. They are on fire. We'll be eating you. Guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.